What is up, people? Tis I, Venice, not like the freaking beach. Look at me, uploading back to back. But today, we are doing, I don't even know if anyone's ever heard of this little brand. I got it off Amazon. This is the Polygel kit. I'm super excited to try it. When I first saw the box and how tiny it was, I was confused. I was like, wait, because I ordered a UV light. But, oh, look, these are the little colors. That's how it comes. I'll link it down below. But look how tiny the light is. It's a little, wait, can you guys see it? It's a little light and it's pink. This looks so cheap that I think it's gonna take forever to dry, but we'll see. And then it comes with this little nail file. I think this is like a buffer file. And then this is like a regular file. And then this says foundation base gel. And then we have this little tool. I think this is what you use to smear it. And then we have the little nail shapes. Super cool. Let's do it. So I'm gonna briefly read the instructions. Isopropyl alcohol. I don't have alcohol. I don't have alcohol. So I'm gonna use, I know you guys are gonna judge me in the comments because I'm not following the instructions, but I don't give a fuck. This is non-acetone nail polish remover. If I fuck up, I know it's because of this moment. Now I'm gonna choose my color. So this one's clear. I have some little flowers that I bought, so I might use this one. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna go this color. So then it says, squeeze a ball of polygel out. And these lines tell you how long you want it. Then dip brush into slip solution. Not nail polish. This just doesn't sound like that's what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do this. I'm dragging it. I feel like the nail polish remover is working just fine. Okay. And then, oh wait. It's not evenly distributed. Oh God, did you see that? Something ain't right, y'all. Something ain't right. If you do buy this one, just make sure you clean up the edges because I'm pretty sure that'll get hard. Okay, we're gonna cure. All right, you guys, it's been about 90 seconds and you're supposed to just flip this off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It worked. I live in an apartment, but it fucking worked. It doesn't even feel that flip. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. What? The nail polish remover worked just fine. Honey, who needs the nail shop? Who needs it? Not me. Because I did my own shit, bitch. I feel low-key like I could do some designs right now. Let me show you guys what I got. Okay, guys. So I got this off Amazon as well. They're little flowers. I feel low-key like I can handle this. So we're going in. But that took a lot of precision. Okay, now I'm gonna put it under the light. I'm noticing with this one that you have to do it twice, so I'm gonna do the light twice. Let that motherfucker dry. I can see what's happening. They don't have a clue. They fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. Oh. Let us see. Oh! Why is that cute? Why is that cute? Hold on, can you guys see it? Oh, that's cute. Okay. Okay. Who? What nail shop? What nail shop? $5 for what design? $5 for what design? Bitch. Would you pay for these? Because I will pay for these. Shoot. Okay, I'll be back, you guys. I'm going to do this whole hand and then I'll come back. The design on the second hand is way better than the design on the first hand. So I learned some things, you guys. So if you get this one, just when you use whatever liquid you're using, well, maybe it's different for me because I'm using a nail polish remover, but you know how nail techs like dip the brush, they don't have it super wet. So just like have the brush slightly wet, not hella wet, and then try to have it so where you can just set it on your nail, not necessarily shove it down, because then all the stuff starts coming out the sides. Why am I good at this? Why am I good at this? Why am I good at this? Ooh, so pretty. I still gotta file it, but this one is so much prettier. Okay, you guys, I am pleased with the results so far. I know it's rough, but I haven't even filed or anything yet. So this is the finished, well, not finished, but this is what I have so far. I decided to make this one white. Okay, so now I have some pointers. If you do just purchase this one, which I really think you should purchase this one, like, I agree. I think this is lit. But use a decent amount, because this one, if you can see it, is kind of thin on the tip because I didn't use as much. And then just make sure you distribute it, because this one has a bubble, and then this one's crooked. So you're gonna have to do a lot of filing because underneath gets kind of clumpy, especially on my thumb. So that I think that's why they give you so many tools, because you're gonna have to file and buff and get all of it out. This is a pretty good kit because it gives you everything you need. But I'm gonna start filing and prepping, and then we'll come back. I was gonna do almond, but I just don't want to mess with the possibility of having crooked nails. So we're gonna go rectangle. So this is the shape I went with. I shortened them. All right, you guys, I am done with my nails. They look so freaking cute. Who needs the nail shop? I'm super tired. It's like 2:30 in the morning. I want to go to sleep, but yes, I definitely recommend this nail little get down, other than the fact that this smells like cat pee, but it's all good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Hasta luego.